This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can set a timer before recording video or, well, taking a picture on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the HOVERAir X1 app on your mobile phone. Next, ensure that the drone is connected to the app and select the hover section. Now go into the Smart Preview. Then, of course, it's not necessary, but select whatever shooting mode you would like to use, video or photo, since both of them allow for, setting a timer. Next, open Settings by tapping at this cog icon you'll find to your top right. At the top, select the Shooting Settings section, scroll those preferences all the way to the bottom, and now you can, in the countdown section, select 3 seconds, and when you do that, each time you will start a video or a photo recording, or rather, before you shoot a photo or record a video, a 3-second countdown timer will be automatically started. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.